Hi everybody, and welcome back to Coblentz Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. This is part 2 of our Hubbard job, and in this video we are planning on showing you how we set our trusses, put our metal on, and build this lean-to. Come check it out. We are ready for the first truss. I don't know why, but this is my favorite part of building a building. The first and the last truss are called gable trusses, and they are a little bit different than the rest of the trusses. They have 2x4s that run horizontally every 2 feet so we can screw our metal to them. We are using 2x4s marked 4 foot on center to brace our trusses together so they are evenly spaced. There are 2x6 blocks nailed to the top of the header. They are also 4 foot on center and give us something to nail our trusses to. Here goes the last truss. We are putting this one up by hand. We use 2x4s to brace the trusses, running 1 through the middle and 2 coming from the corner posts. Now we can move on to the lean-to. First, we have to cut out the notches on the 6x6 posts so we can put our header on. We are using a double 2x10 header for the lean-to. We're using 2x8s for our rafters. First we mark out a pattern and use that to make them all the same. The rafters are 2 foot on center, coming from the header of the building to the header of the lean-to. We nailed 2x6 blocks coming up from the header to nail our rafters to. We need to nail a 2x6 to the side of the building to nail our 2x6 ceiling joists to. The other guys are putting on 2x4 purlins to screw our metal down. Our ceiling joists are 2x6, 4 foot on center to screw our metal ceiling to. Next, we need to cut out for our man door and our windows. This will be a standard 36-inch door. We are framing in for 4 windows. We're using Typar house wrap for moisture barrier for the roof and for the walls. After we put on the moisture barrier, we put our drip edge on. Now it's time for the fun part, putting the roof metal on. We have 2 guys on the ground carrying and putting up the metal and 2 guys pulling it up. We're using DeWalt power snips to rip the metal. This makes for a lot easier work. This crew likes to use strings to make sure all their screw rows are in line. Now we can move on to the sides. We are starting in the middle so that our metal can work and that we can get a full piece right in the center. The roof is a 412, so we take 12 inches down from our long point to figure out our angle. We're using 3.5 foot Brown's wainscoting on this garage. The ceiling of the lean-to is getting white liner panel. So that'll wrap up this job in this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.